Today I've got another couple of padlocks sent to me by Peter Lewis, the Irish Lockpicker. He keeps sending me these padlocks. He's a generous guy. This one's an Ilco. That's the keyway for it. Got no key for it. This one's an Egret. These are made in China. Got two keys for this one. Pretty flat bitting on the key. And I spoke to him on the phone and he says a child could open it. So I thought I'd have to do something a bit different if a child can open it and use something other than a pick. So I'm going to use an homemade tension tool. We're just going to use a little air grip bobby pin. See if we can get into it with this. He says a child could open it, so I've got to try something a bit different. We get it open. So that's the Egret opened with a air grip. Now this one's even easier. This Ilco, put your tension tool in the bottom, get your air grip, and see that first pin? Just lift up that first pin. Once you get underneath it, just lift it up. It opens. So yeah, cheers for those locks, Mr. Lewis. But that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.